Happy holidays, everyone! It's 3 more days to go before Christmas. And today, I will be doing the unboxing of the Nike shoes that I bought online. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing now. Let's start with this box. So as you can see, every box says "Pull for freshness." So I find this box very nice. So let's do this. Open this. Oh, there you go. This is the glitter one. Okay. Women Internationalist. And this is in particle rose color with a silver glitter. There you go. This is a very nice shoes. Very nice color. This is the front, the side, and the back. And this is in 6.5 size. Let's put this here. Next is this one. Wow! This is what's inside. Another box. And it's the Jordan shoes. So this is the Jordan DNA LX older kids shoes. Wow. Okay. With this one, Jordan, the superstar basketball player. Okay. So this is in size 5.5Y, and this is a kid shoes. Okay, very nice. It's in black and red color. Okay. There you go. Now let's move on to the third box. Has the original Nike box in red and white. Let's check this one. Wow! So this is the Nike Internationalist women shoes. Okay. There you go. And the color is Gold Summit White. Okay. And this is in size 6.5. This is the side, like so, and the back. And this is the bottom. It's a very nice shoes. I love this color. I can use this in summer and even in cold season. There you go. Now, let's move on to the last and final box. Let's unbox this now. This is a big box because it has more than one set of shoes. It has, I think it has 3 shoes inside. Okay. We got 1 box of pair of shoes, second box, and the third box. Now let's open this. Let's check this one. Oh, I think this is some men's shoes. This is the Airspan 2 men's shoes. This is in size 8.5 and in color wolf gray. There you go. This is the side, like so. The back, top, and the bottom in wolf gray. Next is this one. Okay. Oh. Yes. So this one is the Nike Court Borough Low, and this is a kid's shoes in 5Y size. The color is Wheat Summit. Okay. This is the top, the side, the back with a Nike like so, and the bottom in black. Okay. Very nice color. And for the last and final box, we have another women's shoes. Okay. So these shoes is the women's Nike MD Runner 2 in size 6.5 and in color black white. This is the top, front, the side, the back like so, and the outer sole is a black color. So this is in black with white Nike at the tongue and another Nike at the back. Very nice, simple, black and white. There you have it, guys. Thank you for joining me in the Nike shoes haul and unboxing. Have a lovely Christmas. Bye!